Hello there, my name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm going to teach you how to make ramen. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. Ramen is one of the easiest meals to prepare for your family for that amazing simple lunch, and your kids or family will love it because it's so easy to make. I'll show you the ingredients. You need 2 packets of noodles. Of course, you need an onion. You can have so many eggs, some garlic. I love to use soy sauce, and then to garnish some parsley, and then for taste some salt and some black pepper. And you can also add in some oregano, some bay leaves. Yes, we'll do that in a bit. You can add all the spices you have, some oregano, some bay leaves, some paprika. Yes. So the first thing that you're going to do is put some water in a pot and let it boil. Once it boils, you're going to put your packet of indomie in it to boil. As that is boiling, we're going to put another pan. So next, in a pan, you're going to put some oil. Our water is boiling already, so you're going to put our indomie in the water. Put it in water. Just let it boil for just a minute. As it boils, we're going to work on our onions and cut them into small cubes. So next, we're going to put our onions in the oil. We're going to cut our garlic. So what you do is I just break them to make it easier to cut. Next, you're going to put our garlic. Let it brown. As that is cooking, we're gonna remove our indomie. Our indomie is ready. We're going to remove the water. In a small pot, you can boil a number of eggs that you would like to put in your noodles. Yeah, so we're going to do that. So after boiling a number of eggs, we're going to continue working on ours. And some vegetables. You can put as many vegetables as you want. Yeah. So for your vegetables, you can use just a small portion. You can do a small portion of carrots, French beans, some broccoli. Yeah, that's okay. Don't have to put so much. some carrots. You're going to wash them first. Because I'll use them again. After washing them, I'm going to fry them for 3 minutes. Look at that, sizzling. I'm going to spice them up. I'm going to put some salt, some black pepper, I'm going to put some paprika, some oregano, it looks so good. Some soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to put in some ketchup. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. The next we're going to put back our Indomie and let it get all that juiciness. Look at that, it looks so good. Look at that, it looks amazing. If you want some soup, there's a point where you put your soup. You can put your bay leaf and then your chicken stock if you have some left in the house, some chicken stock, and then you're going to cover that for just a minute. We're going to use, of course, our dhania. Look at this, it looks so good. We don't want our soup all gone, so we're gonna switch this off. But this one looks so good. Your ramen is done. Your ramen is done. Look at this, it looks so good. I'm going to plate this. Look at that, looks delicious. It looks so good. It's cold outside. No kona homa. Take a book and read. finally, look at this. It looks amazing. Can't wait to have that taste. If you're craving for that simple lunch Italiano, ramen is the right easy lunch for you. So you can see it has some eggs. You can put as many eggs as you want, or you can do without the egg, but I prefer it with the egg. I'm gonna do a bit for a taste. There you go. Here we are. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. How it tastes. So delicious. You can have it with a boiled egg. It's so good. I love the way it bursts in your mouth. The taste is so tasty. The dish is so delicious. Follow this recipe step by step and let me know how it turned out. I always love commenting back and to call you to come into my show and have a taste of this good food. If you enjoyed